Welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. Today is going to be a style and color comparison between two Belle Tress wigs, one from the Luxe collection and one from the City collection. This piece I'm wearing today is Firenze in the color Sienna Spice, which is a City collection piece. I'm going to compare this style to the Bella wig by Belle Tress from their Luxe collection. And this is in the color Sunset Blonde. The styles remind me a lot of one another. When I first got Firenze, I thought of Bella. Bella is quite an interesting style. She has a fringe here, and then it goes to a long side swept bang. Now, I know many of you, that was kind of a breaker for you, if I can just be honest. Some of you didn't want that side short bang, and you wanted the same on both sides. Firenze is that same bang length on both sides. So if you liked the look of Bella, you'll like Firenze. However, because it doesn't have that shorter bang on this side, it's an all over same length on both layers there in the long fringe. So it lays easier behind the ear. I can tuck Bella behind the ear easy, but this is kind of a all around same look. This is a lot more easy flowing with that and goes behind the ear nicely. Firenze, though, does have only a left monofilament part and an extended lace front and a wefted cap. Bella has that amazing luxe cap design. So because they are from different collections, they do have a different cap construction. I do want to show and talk about the colors, so I'll do a spin and show you guys these pieces outside as well so you guys can see the color. They are different colors, but man, these reds from Belle Tress in this new collection, the City and the Luxe, I really do love them. The Sunset Blonde it says it's a blonde color, but in my opinion, it's not a blonde. It's more of a red with blonde color. And I kind of looked at this piece and pulled out my red penny. You guys remember that color, red penny? I'll try to put in a photo here if I can find one. I still have it. I cut my wig I got in red penny. And I was like, maybe this color is similar. And nope, I forget. Red penny is so vibrant. Now, when I first got Sienna Spice, I thought Sienna Spice was vibrant. It's not that vibrant. It is still a cooler, I would say this is a cooler auburn. And it kind of reminds me of almost the Mandarin Rooted by Aesthetica, but this is not rooted. So it does have some really great dimension in this color. It's just so elegant and soft. So let's go ahead and show you the inside of this cap real quickly. Again, this beautiful dimensional color, Sienna Spice. Now, Firenze again has that shorter, longer layer in the front. Has the extended lace front, left monofilament part, and wefted cap with the extended nape with Velcro adjusters. So with that City collection, you are still gonna get those Velcro adjusters. And when we go into the Luxe collection, you are gonna notice a difference in the construction of the wig. I feel the fibers on City and Luxe are very, very nice. They are super soft. They feel very similar. They're just really soft and luxurious. Okay, now Bella has the extended lace front all the way around a polyurethane ear tab, full monotop, hand-tied cap, so definitely feels super lightweight. I remember when I first got this, I lifted it out of the box and I felt like I was holding nothing in my hand. It just feels incredible. There is an extended nape. The adjusters are the hook standard adjusters for Belle Tress, so interesting that they put the velvet adjusters, the Velcro adjusters on the City collection, but then with the hand-tied cap on the Luxe collection, they left those at the bra strap pull adjusters. So let's go ahead and put this on. As you can see, this color is also not rooted. And that is something we find a lot in the Luxe and City collection colors with Belle Tress, especially the Luxe. They're not always rooted, but this color definitely has some red to it and blonde. And I'll show you this outside compared with a little clip to the Sienna Spice. But see, as you can see, you would really never kind of find this unless you go looking for it. But see how there is this layer right here on Bella, right here. And then she has this longer bang. So this is almost like the same length as Firenze on this side. Tucks great behind the ear. And then you have on this side, this layer on Bella. So it is meant, if you would like to cut this into a bang, you can cut this layer and wear this kind of down. You could even like cut it across if you want to and even them out. It's kind of an end on the trends cut where you kind of have this going over, cutting this, and it's like this effortless side swept bang into a longer bang. Now y'all know I have a short forehead. For me personally, wearing it like this is best, and training that over, and you can just do an easy ear tuck. So if you like the Luxe cap better, and if you can work with these bangs and just train it, I would do the Bella. However, if you don't want to deal with those bangs and you like this long layers, a face framing layer, Firenze is right up your alley, and it is a little bit more of affordable price point.
So as you can see outside and even in the camera view, these are not identical colors, but I wanted to show you Luxe versus City and also just show the different colors with the Mandarin Rooted and Red Penny in retrospect to the Sienna Spice color.
All right, so what's your favorite? Do you like the cut of Bella and the Luxe cap design? Or do you like the cut of Firenze and the City collection cap design? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave us a comment down below. Again, check out Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It's a Facebook group, so you can join that group. The group is private, so no one sees your post over there. Also, follow us on Instagram, Wig Studio One. Down below is a link to that. Again, my name is Christy. I'm from Wiggin' with Christy on YouTube and on Instagram, and down below is a link to my YouTube channel, and I'm also on Instagram. We hope you have a great day. Bye.